Imagine walking into any room and commanding respect, without saying a word. It's not about flashy clothes or clever lines, but a presence that's felt before it's heard. Think of the calm-centered man who draws attention by simply being comfortable in his own skin. His power is quiet, in his stillness and steady gaze. This is unshakable presence, built on 3 pillars: the posture lock, the gaze, and the intentionality switch. Master these, and you'll stop seeking respect and start embodying it. Modern men are trapped by mixed messages. Be confident, but not arrogant. Assertive, but not aggressive. Society tells you to stand out, but not too much. Blend in, but don't disappear. These contradictions leave many men feeling lost, unsure of how to act or who to be. The pressure to fit in while also being unique creates a silent struggle that's rarely talked about. Many become the try-hard jester, desperate for approval, cracking jokes and seeking laughter, hoping to win people over with humor or charm, but often feeling empty when the attention fades. Or they become the invisible man, shrinking away and hoping to be noticed, quietly fading into the background, wishing someone would see their worth without them having to shout for it. Both are stuck seeking validation, which only pushes respect further away. The more you try to win approval, the more it slips through your fingers, leaving you feeling even more isolated. True respect isn't given to those who beg for it, it's given to those who don't need it. People are drawn to those who are comfortable in their own skin, who don't chase after acceptance. The more you chase approval, the more invisible you become. It's a paradox. Seeking validation only makes you blend in more, until you're just another face in the crowd. The problem isn't you, it's your strategy. You're not broken or lacking. You've just been playing by the wrong rules, following advice that doesn't work. It's time to play by new rules, ones that help you stand out for the right reasons and finally earn the respect you deserve. The answer isn't to get louder or more aggressive. It's to cultivate unshakable presence. This is quiet confidence, calm, grounded, and magnetic. The man with presence is comfortable with stillness, trusts himself, and doesn't rush to fill silences. People are drawn to the stability, especially in uncertain times. To build it, focus on 3 steps: posture lock, the gaze, and the intentionality switch. These aren't theories, they're habits you can train. The first pillar is the posture lock. Stand tall, shoulders back, head level. This isn't about being stiff or robotic, but about holding yourself with a quiet strength. Imagine you're rooted to the ground, your body language open and relaxed, yet unmistakably confident. When you walk into a room, your presence is felt before you even speak. Not rigid, just fully occupying the space. Let your body claim the area around you, signaling to yourself and others that you belong exactly where you are. This signals calm control to your brain and to others. People instinctively trust and follow those who appear grounded and at ease, and your posture is the first message you send. The second pillar is the gaze. Steady, calm eye contact. Not aggressive, just present. Your eyes communicate volumes about your confidence and intentions. Hold someone's gaze gently, listen deeply, and let your eyes show you're engaged. When you look at someone with genuine interest, you invite connection and respect. The third pillar is the intentionality switch. Stop entering rooms to take approval, enter to give value. Shift your mindset from seeking validation to offering something meaningful. Bring calm, listen, or offer a genuine compliment. When you focus on what you can contribute, you naturally radiate authority and warmth. When you focus on giving, self-consciousness fades and confidence grows. You become less concerned with how you're perceived and more invested in the moment. These pillars reinforce each other. Posture supports your gaze, making your eye contact feel natural and unforced. Your gaze in turn supports your intention, helping you communicate authenticity and purpose without a word. Together, these 3 pillars create a powerful feedback loop of real confidence. Each one strengthens the others, making your presence magnetic. You stop asking for respect and start earning it automatically. People notice your energy and respond with trust and admiration. This is how you become the creator of your reality. By embodying silent authority, you shape how the world sees and treats you. Knowing the pillars of presence isn't enough. You must practice them until they become second nature, woven into the fabric of your daily life. True confidence is not a switch you flip, but a skill you build, one repetition at a time. Each morning, dedicate just 5 minutes to yourself. Stand tall, lock your posture, and meet your own gaze in the mirror. As you do, set a clear intention. Today, you will bring value to every interaction and carry yourself with purpose and integrity. This daily ritual is more than a routine. It's a training ground for your mind and body. With every repetition, you build muscle memory, rewiring your brain to default to confidence, even when you're under pressure or facing uncertainty. Over time, you'll notice your presence becoming effortless. In meetings, during tough conversations, or when the stakes are high, you'll find yourself standing tall and speaking with clarity, even when others might falter. Start tomorrow. Commit to this practice for just 1 week. Make it a non-negotiable part of your morning, like brushing your teeth or having your coffee. As the days pass, pay attention to the subtle shifts. how you feel inside, and how others begin to respond to you. You may notice more respect, more engagement, and a new sense of ease in your interactions. Remember, this isn't a magic pill. There's no instant fix. But with consistent effort, it's the closest thing you'll find to transforming your presence from the inside out. Forge your presence through daily discipline, just as you would train a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger and more natural your presence becomes. Take responsibility for how you show up in every room. When you own your presence, respect and influence will follow naturally. The world responds to those who command themselves first. Start today and watch as your presence shapes your reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a boost in their presence. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching.